In example 7, we're going to find a missing value given only an equation. So for each equation, find whichever value is missing. So we'll be looking for either the x value or the y value. So here's my equation. This is my rule. In my rule, I need to find out what y is when x is 3. So if x is 3, I'm going to take my x value that I know. I'm going to substitute it into my equation wherever I see that x value. X is 3, so I replace the x with 3. So I always write my equation first, and then I do my substitution or my replacement. I know what the x is. The job is to find out what the y value is that corresponds to an x value of 3. So I replaced my x with 3, and I have to remember BEDMAS. I'm going to do my multiply before I do my addition. 2 multiplied by the 3 is 6, and then 6 plus 5 is 11. So if x equals 3, then y must be 11 in this rule. And that would correspond to a point if I graph that table. X value goes first, y value goes second. We have part B to this question, and it's going to be going in the reverse. What if I give you the y value and you need to find the x value? So my equation is still y equals 2 multiplied by the x value plus 5. But this time I don't know the x. I know the y. So I'm going to replace this time or substitute. Wherever I see the y, I'm putting in the value they gave me, 25. 25 equals 2 multiplied by the number plus 5. And then I'm going to solve that equation just as I would in Chapter 6. I want to get the letter by itself. I'm going to subtract 5 from each side. 25 subtract 5 is 20. 5 subtract 5 is 0, so they canceled. To get the 2 by itself, I need to divide by 2 to get rid of that multiply by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so I'm left with 1x. So if y is equal to 25, x has to be 10. So again, if this was to be graphed, for an x value of 10, the y value would be 25. So that would correspond to the point 10, 25.